Transform your Webflow site from static to stunning by mastering video uploads. Let's dive in. First, navigate to your Webflow project and locate the Assets panel. This is where all your uploaded media will live. Click on the Upload button. You'll then have the option to drag and drop your video file directly or browse your computer for it. Once you've selected your video, Webflow will begin the upload process. You'll see a progress bar indicating how far along it is. After your video has finished uploading, it will appear in your Assets panel. Click on the video you wish to use to select it. Now, head over to your Webflow designer and select the section or element where you want to place your video. From the Add Elements panel, find the video element and drag it onto your canvas. With the video element selected on your canvas, look to the Element Settings panel on the right. You'll see a section for video source. Click on the video source field. A drop-down will appear listing your uploaded videos. Select the video you just uploaded. And there you have it. Your video is now embedded and ready to play on your Webflow page. For optimal performance, it's crucial to optimize your video files before uploading. Compress your videos to a web-friendly format like MP. For this, ensures faster loading times and a smooth viewing experience for all your visitors, regardless of their device. By following these simple steps, you can effectively integrate dynamic video content into your Webflow site, captivating your audience and elevating your website's engagement.